Welcome back. Dave here, Dave's Model Car Shop. Um, I had finished one build for the Glory Days group build, and I was going to build the Grumpy Vega as the second one, and then I got this one in yesterday, and I've never actually built this kit before. I think, I don't even know what year it is. I thought it was... Oh, it's the 66 Galaxian. It does have stock features. Drag features. It's got the tires. I believe it's got a big motor in it too. But it is brand new. I opened it this afternoon. So, there's the drag tires. So, this is going to be the second one to go with the 69 Charger. I kind of rushed the Charger, and I wasn't happy with the Charger because I thought the timeline was shorter than it actually is, so I kind of rushed it. So this one I'm going to start it and then do a little bit, jump to another one to come back to it. So I just figured I'd get this out there so I can get the video up and loaded and stop stumbling all over my words. I've been up all night, and it's like, what time is it? 1:27 on a Monday morning, and I just got done working on that one, and that's a horror story in itself. It just didn't come out the way I wanted it to. So it pissed me off, and it's going to continue to piss me off until I drop kick it across the house. It's going to be a curbside. It does have a motor in it. It's just, I don't have a hood scoop for it. So, and the hood don't quite shut. So, for now, it's just going to be, we're just going to call it a curbside. And we're going to leave it at that. Because essentially, I can take this motor out of here and put a drop or an LS or something in there if I have to, because the engine is actually way too big for this car, and they're both in scale. This is a 125th 3D printed engine, and this is a 125th scale model, and the motor is too big. I would have put the stock engine in here, but I don't, for the life of me, don't know what happened to the top end of the motor. So that's the motor that went in. And yeah, we'll get back to that another day, another time. But back to this. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit up Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop, and I'm going to ask him if this fits the group build criteria. If it does, then I'm going to build it. If it don't, then I'll have to build the Grumpy Vega. Alright everyone, have a good Monday. Stay dry, stay safe, wherever you're from, wherever you are in the world. Hey, go out and buy a model and build it. It's good for you. Alright, later.